All right, guys. Episode 3, or yeah, number 3 of the Takeover Week 2. We're just following Swiley to get to his car, and then we're gonna head to do some more missions.
It's that car. That's the car that you
As
can depend on.
as you guys seen, as you guys seen, I didn't get this car, so get out of it. Let me drive it.
You got this car last time. Why did
No,
you not get
no,
it?
I
Look
didn't
at
get
car
it.
on demand. Look at car on demand.
All right, let's head to this mission. Let's head to this mission now.
Probably should have gone a little bit closer. Go blah, 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 blah. Oh wow.
As
8
you
bullets,
guys
I forgot.
seen, we had a hacker try to hack us.
There's the other car. Paul, get in that car. Maybe you get this one. The original car.
We got a hacker in our lobby. Well, he tried to hack us. I found him right away. I found him right away, and then
Oh god.
he ran off. He got scared of us. So
He know we was gonna kill him.
we got points. We did good.
Sucked.
No, we did good. We did good.
How good? Like was it this good?
It
If
was
I can do
it was so good that I could hit this truck and do this.
No, 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 not like the last video. No! Please let me hit the water. Gosh, dude. Does anybody else remember that? Oh, Paul, you should totally come back and get me, man.
Nah, I don't
gonna-
think so.
I'm gonna kill myself then. I'm gonna go like over here and hit the electro thing.
I really don't, I seriously don't think I got, that car.
Look on your car on demand.
What was it under?
It was heavy vehicles.
Heavy?
Heavy.
No, I don't have it. Why don't I have it?
No, no, man, don't you have a Jeep? Because you drove the Jeep last time.
But I should be able to have all of these.
No, then you suck.
Whatever.
Just come pick me up.
I'm coming now.
Also, there's this thing right over here.
By the way, you might want to have to jump down from the bridge.
What?
You gotta jump down.
Okay, I'm going in my other vehicle.
Well, you know what? Bye. I am going to go to this mission.
No, come on, man.
No, no, no,
Come here.
no, 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 no. By the way, I'm
I
driving on
found
the
it.
wrong side of the road.
I found a vehicle that I liked.
I'm driving on the wrong side of the road.
Oh, I just destroyed a truck.
I am driving on the wrong side of the road. Da-da-da-da.
That's not even a catchy song.
Yes, it
Oh,
is.
God. Is that a taco truck? Taco. Mia fajita. Oh, that drift though.
Alright, I'm at the mission.
Okay. Hey, Paul, look at my new car.
I almost died.
Oh, Everything's right.
Alright.
everything is grand.
Did you really try to use it on me?
Use what?
That over there.
I can't turn my screen, Paul. I don't know what you're talking about.
The fire thing that explodes.
No, 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 no. I don't know. No, everything's grand. We have fun here.
Alright, we gotta reach the car again, I'm guessing.
Oh my god, why do we keep on getting these car things? I want to kill everybody.
Alright, let's
We
see.
already did this one.
There's no people around here.
We did this one. Oh, we already did this one.
Oh, there's a person here. Oh, there's a person all the way up there.
Oh, they got a... Oh no, that was like the worst time. I'm in like the worst spot.
Got him.
You have fun. I'm kind of stuck over here. Having a good time.
Whoa, what happened?
Celebrate.
Oh, this guy just vanished. Get down, die.
Yeah, do a more aggressive one. Okay, Paul, hopefully you got
got
that
him.
on your side.
Alright. There's nobody by me anymore. I'm kind of stuck in this house, though.
Oh! Oh, then you're done.
No,
know
you
where it
locked
is,
all the
straight.
doors.
I got the car, by the way.
I'm trying to wait for these doors to be opened.
I'm just chilling here. Chilling in this car right now.
I'm waiting so I can hack this door. Thank you.
Driving around in my little drono. Place suck. Find the key.
Where is it anyway? Oh, it's over here in this building. I got it. And I don't got it because someone shut the power off to everything.
I never secured this area. I mean, you can always jump into this window.
You lagged so hard there.
You lag.
Shut up.
I'm kidding. You wanna fight my drone, man? You wanna fight my drone?
There we go.
I opened the door for you.
God. Gotta do everything because somebody wants to sit in a car and at Ghost Point.
Coming.
Now you better drive.
Oh, my vehicle's still there. Tell me. This song is so sexy right now. Avoid everything hits this one bike in it.
You're lagging so bad.
You're lagging, shut up.
You're lagging. Shut up. You shut. Look at how badly you're driving.
I didn't hit it.
Your driving is horrible.
I didn't hit it.
You suck at driving.
You suck everything.
No, you suck.
No, you suck.
You suck.
I'll show you how good a driver I am.
Look at how bad you are, Swiley.
I'm focusing on
Even
the
this car
options.
thinks you're horrible that he's gonna crash.
Yeah. So, drive this car off the bridge. Because we already did this mission in the last episode.
Oh well, we're doing it again. We're taking over. We're getting followers. That's the matter.
We best get mad followers on Instagram for this. Paul? Oh yeah, we're on Sam Francisco.
Look how bad. Look how good I drive. Look how bad you drive. Look at you. You already failed the optional thing.
You failed the optional thing. No,
You're driving, not me.
no, I'm not driving.
Oh my God, Swiley,
I'm
you
not
are the
driving.
worst driver ever.
I'm not the worst driver.
You are the worst driver ever. Look at this. Dude, I had the optional. We got the optional with me. With you, the optional's gone.
The optional thing was time. Your vehicle was about to break down too.
No, Swiley,
See,
shut up.
See, your crappy van still here.
No, that's your crappy van. They duplicated the car.
You know what? You know what? It's the same as here. You know what? See on this guy. Oh!
Gosh, you're gonna get us noticed. We can't be noticed. I'm leaving you. We're no longer buddies.
Shoot this guy in the balls.
I gotta go find Kenny.
Oh, bloody. Don't look like a
Wait,
butterfly.
let's see what paint jobs I have. Let's get this one. No, let's get the
Look at
pink
this.
one.
Sorry.
Boom, my motorcycle's here.
You do that.
I'm going to go to...
It's double hot stick.
No. I am gonna go
Yeah.
grab this research point right here. See ya.
What Kenny's that?
Kenny 2.4.
No, you're lying. That's Kenny 2.0. You don't even remember your own.
No, Kenny 2.0 is the one-seat smart car. Kenny's the moped.
I'm exiting the mission zone.
What the
Oh
hell?
my god. Oh, you drive back.
Oh my god. What did you do?
What did you do? I delivered the car.
Oh wow. And it now says
It's your fault. I blame Paul. Everybody
it's your
blames Paul.
fault. Nobody blame me. Blame Swiley.
Blame Paul. Man. It's always
God. He shoots up a person as soon as he gets out. It's all his fault.
Look at me wrong.
See, I would never shoot a person just because they looked at me wrong.
That's a lie.
No, that's not a lie. You're a lie.
It's a fact. Because I can prove it.
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna jump over this bridge.
Okay, you have fun.
Nope, I can't do that. Ha, I got a better idea.
What's your stupid oh my god. You know there's a thing right over here, right?
I don't care about your thing.
Okay. Because that thing got me down safely. My car is perfectly intact.
Why can't I get down from here?
Because you suck.
You
And
suck.
you gotta tap R1. I mean L1, L2.
No,
R2.
you suck. That's why I got another Ken.
Guess I gotta drive another 400 meters.
God, Ken, why you do this to me? What are you doing, you idiot? See, this is why you can't drive no more.
I'm wondering where you're going.
You can't drive a car no more. You're not allowed to drive. You're no longer the driver.
I'm driving a car right now. I'm driving a car. What you gonna do?
You crashed right into me.
No, I didn't.
Saying you're a good driver. No, you're not a good driver. I'm a good driver.
You're not. You suck at driving.
I'm the better driver out of the two of us.
You're driving a bike.
Your point?
It's more narrow.
I'm not killing nobody.
Oh my god, it's this one.
No, there is no this one.
Yeah, there is this one. It's a pickup, by the way. Try not to break it this time.
You're the one hacking it, not me.
I don't know, I was talking that last time.
Stupid. Stupid.
It was stupid.
You stupid. You're stupid.
It was stupid.
That's why I'm the black guy and you're the white guy. So shut up.
I'm black. My character's black.
No, my character's black. Your character's white.
No, my character's black.
No, your character is black.
On my screen, you're Hispanic.
I am white. I am black. You're white.
You look Hispanic. Paul? I followed you.
Wow, look at see of course the white person wants to follow the black person.
Oh my goodness, don't bring race into this.
I am not being racist, you're being racist.
I said don't bring race into this.
You
Oh look, I got
racist.
10 research points. You're racist.
No you don't. I have 10 research points.
Oh, sure you do.
Yes, I have 10. Exactly 10. What level are you?
Sure you do. I don't know, man.
You should know.
Levels. Level 12.
Yeah, you suck.
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 You suck. Suck my nut.
This is totally my car, guys.
That, you should probably, actually get the hijacker for the vehicle thing.
No, I shouldn't.
You should.
I should not.
You should.
Instead, I should come get this money that's all the way down here.
That's weird. Never say it like that again.
No, you're weird.
No, never say it like that
No, you're weird. Shut up.
again.
No, you're weird. Shut up.
No.
You're weird. Shut
Shut
up.
Oh, you're ugly.
You're shut up.
You're
You shut up. You're weird.
No, you're ugly.
You're weird.
You're
You're weird.
and
By the way, this money is in the police station.
you have fun with that.
I will.
Okay.
Because I already got it.
Okay. Driving the fastest car in the game.
Parkour man. Parkour man.
Suck my nut. My nut.
Shut up. You're so weird.
Shut up. You're so ugly.
You shut up. You're weird.